Hi guys, good morning.
It's going here.
Yeah, she's back.
What?
Ganit it. No.
Wipe your hands.
Hide the pods. Hide the pods. She will always. Ay! Sus, mayo, senyal. Oh, mas ano pa sa this.
What the?
Sige, ito yung binabalik ko dito.
Yan pala pagkain kasi. Tama siya.
Hi guys. Mga kasisi.
Mom.
Nice ko lang i-share sa inyo yung bahay ko kung gaano ka sira. No, hindi ako nahihiyang to tell you the truth kung ano talagang bahay ko. So look at my house. So
Ow!
sirang-sira dahil sa bagyo ng ano yun? Bagyong Odette?
Marilyn!
Ulysses.
Marilyn! Wait, tita, wait.
Wala akong matinong bahay. May so broken. All out inside broken. Because of the typhoon. Typhoon. Typhoon Ulysses. 2020 20 ano 2021 ba ang bagyong Ulysses. Sira ang bahay namin guys. Sira. Sira. Everything is broken. From the window, the door. There's no door. There's no door here.
Okay. It's done.
And also the window broken.
Yay.
See? Window broken. And our rooms broken.
I don't have to lay down. I don't have to lay down. I don't have to lay down.
My sister and my niece.
Gutom na talaga si Angela. Pag tita, gutom na talaga si Angela. Hoy! Tita, oh, gutom na talaga.
See? So, I don't know how to build my house again. Right now, I don't have work. I lost my job. Still, I'm thinking too much how to build my house again. So, I just only share this, you know, how it feels our house. Everything is washed out. And I don't know. See? Our house is empty. My house is empty. Everything is broken. You will see me always selfie, doing TikTok to avoid stress. Keep smiling even too much have problem. Everything. Every day I am thinking. But still, I keep it strong. Being alone. Nakita nyo kung paano ako nagsiselfie, tumatawa, ngumingiti. sumasayaw. But deep inside, I have too much problem.
Very sweaty. I'm very sweaty.
Mhm. So I just want to share how my life's going on. Aside from I'm just dancing, laughing, share to everything, how to smile every day. Yeah. But you don't know what deep inside.
Gotta play.
Talagang ganon. Life must go on. So please share my video, and yeah,
Follow.
and I have my new channel. Please watch and share, subscribe my new channel in YouTube. Thank you guys, mga kasisi. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing my videos and watch my videos also. Thank you very much. God bless.